this problem. It's problem number 22 in your solution book. A pentagonal lamina of 25 mm side is resting on one of its edges on HP. This is resting on HP problem with edge. With the opposite corner to that edge touching VP. Okay, the opposite corner to that edge is touching VP. This edge is parallel to VP and the corner which touches VP is at a height of 15 mm above HP. Draw the projection of the lamina and determine the inclination and distance at which the parallel edge lies from VP. That we need to find out. Here to explain this, see, this is resting on edge problem. This is resting on edge on HP, and your opposite corner, this opposite corner is 15 mm above HP. This height is given, inclination is not given, this height is given, 15 mm above HP, and this corner touches VP, so that this resting on edge is parallel to VP. That is the condition given. Okay, this edge is parallel to VP. Now we need to find out, okay, after completing the projection, we need to find out this inclination with HP and inclination with VP. Then, okay, if you look at the object from here, you can see this is inclination with HP and this is inclination with VP. Okay, that we need to find out. Then the distance of this edge from VP, this distance we need to find out. Okay, from top we can find out this distance. Okay. Now let's see how to solve this one. Let's start with the XY line VP HP. Then construct one pentagon of 25 mm sides. Your pentagon, one of the edge or side should come to the left over, since it is resting on edge problem. You draw one edge first, 25 mm. Then use protractor to mark 108 degree here and on other side also 108 degree. Here 25 mm again, 108 degree in angle and 25 mm length. 25 mm length. Then take compass. Measure this 25 mm length. Measure this 25 mm length. From here, draw one arc. From this point, cut the same arc with the same dimension. Connect this. This pentagon, and name it E, B, C, D. Next, project it upward to get the front view. Here points A dash and E dash, here B dash and D dash, here C dash. Join this with visible line. Next, in second position they have given one more condition. That condition is this opposite corner, that is C dash, opposite to the resting on edge is AE, A dash, E dash. Here C is opposite corner, that is 15 mm above HP. So mark on 15 mm over here and draw one horizontal line at that position. Draw one thin horizontal line. Then select one point, convenient point anywhere. This point is nothing but A dash, E dash, A dash and E dash. Then take compass, take this dimension A dash to E dash, C dash, A dash to C dash, and keep it on over here. Mark a point or cut this horizontal line. This point is C dash. And connect with visible line. Then take compass again. Take this distance A dash, B dash. Mark it over here. This is B dash and D dash. Next, project it downward to get the top view. A dash and E dash. E dash to E, E dash to E, then here A dash to E. Next, B dash and D dash. Okay, project it. D dash to D, then B dash to B. Next, C dash to C. B, C, D, E. Connect with visible lines. Okay, second position is over. Then let's go to third position. For third position, they have given one condition. That condition is this opposite corner to the resting on edge, this corner touches VP. Okay, this corner touches VP. So here on VP I need to consider this point, that is C. C I need to consider on VP. C should be on this. Next, we need to reconstruct this one over here so that this should be parallel to VP. This resting on edge should be parallel to VP. Okay, for that, measure this distance. It's around 34 mm, and draw one vertical line over here for same 34 mm. Thin line, vertical line, thin line. That is nothing but C to this midpoint. Okay, C to this midpoint here. Now take this dimension, that is nothing but 25 mm. Here at 12.5 either side you draw one line. From here this should be 12.5, and here to here it should be 12.5. Total it is 25 mm. Okay, we got 3 points now. See here, this is E and this is A. 3 points we got. Then to get another 2 points, measure this distance. This distance, that is 13 mm from here. From C, 13 mm. Mark 13 mm over here. 13 mm. And here draw one horizontal line. Draw one horizontal line. Now you can measure by using scale and place, or else you can use compass to transfer this dimension here. Now this is A, B, C, D and E. Connect with visible lines. Okay, this is reconstruction of this pentagon over here. Next, project it upward to get the final position in front view. First, C to C. Okay, C to C dash. This is C dash, and then A and E. Here, A to A dash, E to E dash. This is A dash, this is E dash. Okay. A dash, E dash. Next, B and D. Okay, B to dash, B to B dash, then D to D dash. Connect with visible lines. Okay, now measure the angle with HP. Okay, inclination with HP to measure. You extend this one and get the angle here 10, 20, 22. This is 22 degree. Okay, you can write it. You write theta over here. You write theta is equal to 23 degree, and pi will be equal to 90 minus this one. Okay, in these cases it is like that only. 90 minus this 23, this around 67 degree. Okay. And one more thing they asked, that is this distance from here to here. Okay. Measure this and this 34.